Okay, let's see our little program here to grab the screen. So I will show you what it does. You start it and then you can grab a part of the screen clicking once on the top left of the part that you want to grab, and then clicking on the bottom right of this rectangle here that you and that's the image. We grab it and then it opens into your default image viewer, and so you cannot see what you're grabbing, but you see it's here and here, and that's this other part of the screen that is being grabbed. So um, let's see how this code works. Um, so you just import Pi screenshot. There is this module that got this image grab class to grab an image. Then we import OS that will be used to open our default image viewer. Then we use input written without the e.mouse, import listener to get the click of the mouse, and then import sys to close everything the program. Then we have this function here to grab our image that simply gets the x and y position, the width and height of the part of the screen that we want to get. Then we use the class image grab dot grab with this method, and then the bbox, the part of the screen that we will get will be x and y in the top left, width and height in the top bottom right. Then def, this will be called, and then we will save the image with em.save image.png, whatever you want to name it, and then we want to start file. In Windows this will work to open the file you just saved so that you don't have to look for it. Then we will have this global variables. Click 1 to see. If you click it once, epsilon1 and x1 and y1 to 0 to memorize the first click. So then you get on click, what happens? So you will pass x and y button and press it. The x and y is the position where you click the mouse, and let me go before down here. At the start we want to give an instruction, click top left and then bottom right, just to remember what the user needs to do. Then we will use this listener, the listener class, to wait for the on click, and when you will click it will go to the on click method function, and then we will use this method to get what the listener has intercepted. Then we will stop the listener after we click, and when we click it, the listener will send program to this function, and we will use these globals and if pressed. So if pressed is equal 1 when we press. If click 1 equals 0, it means it's the first time that you click. It will go and memorize x1 and y1 and put click 1 to 1 so that the next time that you click it will go down here to the else, and it will grab starting from x1 and y1 and ending at x, y, and y. That will be then called width and height, and then we stop the listener and exit from the program. And so I think this could be hidden. Let me check out if this works. We click left and click right. I forgot to put here save em and pass it to this one. Let's go back and click here and click right. Okay, and it worked, as you can see here. And then it stopped. And so I think that's all. Thank you and see you next time.